Welcome back to our channel. So it's an exciting day today because what are we getting, babe?
A pallet box
from Amazon, and it just so happened to be there's an Amazon truck right there. But we are getting an Amazon pallet. It is getting delivered right now, so we are excited because the last time we got a Target pallet, so now we're getting an Amazon pallet.
I've never heard of that RL carriers.
I know, I haven't either, but I'm excited. Are you?
Well, I'm excited. It's just I don't know. I don't think we know where we're gonna put it. So
that's not the problem. The problem is getting a bunch of stuff and
it's not too
then
bad.
you figure out.
It's not too bad. Dibs on whatever's in there already.
You can't see my face expressions.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
That's actually really small compared to the Target one.
Yeah.
Let me show you guys. Look at this. Look at this tiny. And you were worried about where we're gonna put that. Look at you talking all that smack over there. First of all, you already have a gaming chair. He was like, where are we gonna fit the pallet, Carla? The house is already a mess, Carla, because you're a hoarder, Carla. You have all that.
I never said that.
I know you never said that. But I feel like you did. I feel like you said it without saying it.
I feel like that's how you feel. And so
okay, maybe that's how I feel about myself. And I'm just... Alright guys, so this is a really small pallet, but I mean, hey, I see some good stuff on top. So we're gonna unbox this and see where we put all this stuff. Some giveaways. We have some giveaways in the future coming with this stuff. We got a robo cleaner.
Ooh, Jax is gonna want this.
All right, we're gonna have to unbox this and show you guys. So we are taking this pallet apart and just taking stuff up one by one. When I say we, I mean Jay. I'm supervising this stuff so no one takes it. But yeah, guys, there's only like a few boxes in here though. I mean, like every box is an item, so it's not like the Target one where there was like a big old boxes and everything had like more stuff inside. It's literally what we see is I guess what we get, or maybe this box here might be like some other stuff, but we're gonna take it upstairs and see. Thank you for bringing that all up.
You're welcome.
We're just gonna leave it here on the porch.
Oh, well, there's no room inside.
Well, if you guys know where we live, you can rob us.
How about you don't show that address over there on the wall?
You can't see it. You can see it, it's like so bright.
So you know there's gonna be someone. I know that house.
I mean, let's talk about it. There's a camera, guys. There's a camera. All right, so we brought the stuff up. Jay brought the stuff up.
Yes.
And it's only a few boxes. It's not as big as I thought it was. It's not like the Target one that has like, you know, multiple boxes like I mentioned. So let's just show you guys what we got. So we have the obvious. We got a gaming chair, which is so crazy to me because I was gonna order a chair because I just got a desk. So that is super handy. The only thing is that like the box is all torn up, so I really hope that all the parts are in there so Jay can assemble it for me.
I already called dibs on that, babe.
On the game? You have a gaming chair.
Oh.
You took the gaming chair. So we got the gaming chair. We got a robot cleaner. I don't know what brand this is though, but it's not like one of the brands, I guess. Or I don't know, maybe it is and maybe I just don't know about it. So we got one of these. We got a coffee maker. Is that a coffee maker? Yeah, a coffee maker.
What's that, babe, Mr. Heater?
It's a golf cart heater. So it's a golf cart heater. That's what we got. These items are like in their packaging. And then we have a bunch of brown boxes. Oh, and this one. We got this RC car with monster tires. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to save it for Jax for his birthday. So hopefully he doesn't see it. Let's put it in the corner. Yeah, because moving it from there to there, he's not going to see it.
Yeah.
We got this right here, the Big Dig. I guess it's like for a sandbox, which is weird because we just got rid of our sandbox. I don't know what we're gonna do with that.
What is this one?
Yeah, so then we have one,
some mystery ones?
Just those two. It's just that one and that one, because this one is a little bookcase thingy, which is cool because I was gonna order one too. So 2 things I don't have to order now. I'm just gonna paint it a different color. We also got a slow juicer. Hopefully everything's inside. Hopefully all this stuff works. It all has its working pieces. And the goal for this palette, guys, is to resell whatever we're not keeping. So we'll probably take you guys on that journey. It's gonna take about like maybe 2 weeks to sell everything, hopefully. All right, let's open this one up and see what's inside. This one was a return though because it has the little sticker address there. And then it's like super taped up. So my only fear about that is that people opened it probably, yeah, well, that one and this one. Yeah. Like this one's all torn up right there.
All right, you ready for the unveiling?
Yes. Dun 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 dun. What is this? What is this?
No way.
What is it? It's a Ghostbuster vacuum?
It sure is not. This is like, I don't know, you were in the insulation business once upon a time.
I don't know if this has anything to do with insulation.
Doesn't this have some? No, actually this is not insulation.
That looks used.
Yeah, it does look used. Somebody used it one time and returned it. Yeah, I have no idea what this is.
I was so excited about unboxing that and I have no idea what it is. Maybe your dad might know?
Guys, what is this?
I know.
Comment down below.
Imagine everyone knows what it is but us.
That'd be embarrassing.
That would be embarrassing. Let me know if you guys know what this is.
That's my dad. I know my dad's got it now.
Yeah, let us know what it is and how much we can resell this for. And I don't know. I don't know. Here's a name on it. Something. Maybe we can get something off of that. All right, next box. My handy helper.
This is a cabinet, babe.
A cabinet? Are you sure? You see, what if there's like no directions or the tools in there because it's already been open?
This one's, oh, this is another tool stuff.
Another tool thing?
Open it?
Sure. So we basically went through everything. The robot cleaner, the coffee machine, the heater, the RC car, the gaming chair, the big dig, the slow juicer, and the cabinet. And then this one, we don't know what it is. And this here.
Screws. Alright, I'll open it.
Does it say what it says here?
It just says QB.
It says ship to. Oh look, it's an FBA product. That what?
Don't record my butt.
What butt?
Wow.
You gotta have a butt to record the butt.
Wow.
It's okay. I love your no booty. Alright, we're almost there, guys. He's almost done opening it. And then we're gonna have to see the back up.
That's why I don't want to open it.
The joy.
Oh, here we can see it.
Okay, let's see.
See, I told you it was for cars.
Aww. Oh, is this the thing where you ramp it on? I don't have no idea. I'm just gonna stop talking.
I'm gonna go ahead and say yeah. No,
you can order this on Amazon?
Yeah, you can practically order anything on Amazon.
Well, alright guys, so that's what we got. Something for the car. That's all I got. That's all we got out of it. Yeah. We don't know what it is.
It's like a metal bar. I don't know.
Well, maybe your dad can figure it out. He can figure this one out and that one out over there. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for our Amazon palette. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know which one you guys like better, the Target or the Amazon. What do you think?
Amazon.
What was your favorite?
Amazon.
Amazon? Amazon?
This is Amazon, right?
Yeah, this is Amazon.
The last one was Target.
Yeah. Really?
Amazon.
I like the backpacks and the lunch bags.
I mean, it was cool, but it was like too many.
It's too many? Alright, so the pallets haven't been a huge hit for us.
I honestly, I disagree. I like this. You got a gaming chair. You got a remote control car over there.
We got a Ghostbuster vacuum.
A Ghostbuster. We got the sand digger thingy. Look, we even got a bed for our cats now. They're not gonna use. We got a juicer. Look.
A juicer? You're gonna make me fresh juices now?
I was literally gonna say, can you go make me a juice?
Alright guys, let us know what you guys think of this palette. Let me know if you guys have ordered a palette from We Bargain. And of course, if you guys want to order a palette or a mystery box, you can never go wrong with the clothing one and the shoe one. I think the shoe one I want to try because I've been getting a couple of shoes in the boxes and they've been really good and they've been like really close in size. So the clothing one and the shoe ones are definitely a better chance of not being like a miss. And I will have them linked in my description and you guys can use promo code KSB15 for a discount. And sorry, Jay does not have a discount code. Only I do.
We're working on that, right?
Well, yeah, sure. Alright.
J-A-Y-11?
Why can't you just say J, like J15? That's not a promo code, guys. KSB15.
Try it, it might be.
We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.